Hello and welcome to today's video. 5 surprising benefits of drinking water daily. Did you know that water, the elixir of life, holds some surprising benefits for your health and well-being? Let's dive into 5 of them. Number 1, boost your brain power. Staying hydrated enhances cognitive function, improving your concentration, memory, and mood. Number 2, energize your body. Drinking water keeps your energy levels up, helping you stay active and alert throughout the day. Number 3, achieve clearer skin. Hydration helps flush out toxins, preventing acne and promoting a radiant complexion. Number 4, enhance your workouts. Proper hydration lubricates your joints, regulates your body temperature, and maximizes physical performance. Number 5, aid digestion and weight management. Drinking water before meals helps control appetite, aids in digestion, and supports weight loss goals, so remember to sip on that refreshing H2O throughout the day to enjoy these fantastic benefits. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, subscribe for more health tips.